Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know if you have a vitamin D3 deficiency. We'll cover the key indicators, common risk factors, and the steps for proper diagnosis. It's important to recognize these signs early to maintain your overall health and well-being. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what to look for and what actions to take. One of the most common signs of low vitamin D3 is persistent fatigue, making you feel constantly tired. You might also experience muscle weakness, aches, or even bone pain, which can be quite uncomfortable. Additionally, if you find yourself getting sick often, it could be due to a weakened immune system. Some people also report mood changes, such as feelings of sadness or irritability. Several factors can increase your risk of vitamin D3 deficiency. Limited sun exposure is a major one, as sunlight is crucial for natural production. People with darker skin tones also produce less vitamin D from the sun. As we age, our skin becomes less efficient at synthesizing this vital nutrient. Furthermore, certain medical conditions, like Crohn's disease or celiac disease, can impair your body's ability to absorb vitamin D. The most accurate way to diagnose a vitamin D3 deficiency is through a simple blood test, which measures your 25-hydroxyvitamin D levels. Generally, levels below 20 nanograms per milliliter are considered deficient. If your levels are low, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice, which might include dietary changes, increased sun exposure, or vitamin D3 supplements to help restore healthy levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.